everyone, this is Modhura Banerjee. Welcome back to Foster Feet. I hope you all are doing well. In today's episode, we have a Wonder Woman with us who has played several roles in life and is currently exploring authorhood. Let us welcome Mrs. Daisy Madan. Welcome to Foster Feet, ma'am. Would you like to introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Daisy Madan. I am an engineer. I did my computer engineering in the year 2001. And after that, I have been working in different multinational companies. And my recent achievement is that I am an author of Amazon's best-selling book, The Art of Baking, Homemakers to Bakers. And after quitting my job, I checked for I started my entrepreneur journey, and I started with digital marketing. I'm still in the learning phase and learning different techniques, and I started my blogging sites, and then this idea of writing a book came to my mind, which I have achieved successfully.
You have been a working woman always, and you had to quit your job after 15 long years. So, how difficult was the decision for you?
Yes, it's a good question because once you start working, it's very difficult to leave your job.
Yes.
And I would say I was doing two jobs at a time. I mean, my professional job and my motherhood job, which every mother has to do. So I was not able to balance between the two professions. And I feel that the homemaking is also a full-time job, taking
Of
care of
course.
husband, family, kids, house, everyone. So I was not able to, I was sailing in the two boats. So one fine day I thought of shifting my profession from professional career to homemaker.
Okay. And how did you start your writing journey? I mean, were you always interested in writing and reading? Were you always interested in literature, or is it a talent that you discovered recently?
Reading was not so much, but within years I started. I mean, you love to read the novels, mostly adventure novels. That one thing was very attracted. But when once I started my blogging career, that fascinated me to write more and more. So after that, I started plan for. I mean, I planned for this book.
The title of your book is very interesting. The Art of Baking, Homemakers to Bakers. So, what is this book all about?
This book is, I would call it as an inspiration book. It is definitely not a cookbook, not a recipe book. With the title, if you think that, okay, I'll pick this book and bake a cake, definitely you are not going to bake a cake. But yes, you will definitely get inspiration if you want to start your entrepreneur journey. And the book is not only for bakers, it is for,
Hello.
she is the one for which I shifted my career.
She's really sweet.
The book, but if you want to start, anyone wants to start their entrepreneur journey, then definitely this book will help you, because what I have done, I have interviewed India's top home bakers and have written their journey, their struggles, how they started their career as a home baker. So if you read this book, you will get an inspiration that nothing comes very easy in your way. You have to keep struggle. You have to be very dedicated. You have to be very focused. Only then you can achieve your great heights in any field.
And how did you conceive the idea of this book? I mean, it's such a unique idea, portraying the life of bakers, their real life stories, the inspirational stories.
Yeah, I mean it. it is not that it just came. Yeah, definitely it just came because there was a lot of thought process, sleepless nights, because I thought, okay, I have to write a book, but what to write? That was one day. I mean, becoming an author was in my mind from quite some time, but what to write, that was the thing. So because I am from a technical background, so first I thought of writing some technical book, and then it was like how people will take it, that she has so much technical knowledge that she's writing a book. And then after long thought process, I came to this idea because creativity of home bakers has always fascinated me. So with that, I thought, okay, let me highlight those bakers who have started their business from home and they have achieved different heights. Because home baking is also a very vast area. There are different categories, different specializations, and it is one unorganized business. So with this, I mean, because their creativity and their passion attracted me, so I thought I'll write about them.
It's a great initiative, I must say, because home bakers, they tend to get you know I mean, they do not come in the highlight so much, but through
Yes,
this book I
yes,
think they'll get the recognition that they deserve.
yes, right.
That's really very nice.
Yes, yes. Because
So
those who, so I mean, those I know many home bakers, and it is like, okay, they're just making a cake. But if you
uh,
look how much effort, how much time they are devoting, and it is like one full-time, full-day job. It's like that.
hmm,
Because you have to, but they are doing from home. They are also maintaining their home. They are also taking care
yeah,
of their kids, house, husband, whatever, doing the activities, and then they have a professional career also, and they are handling
yeah,
so
there's
many.
so much more to it than meets the eye. Yeah,
Sorry.
I said there's so much more to it than meets the eye.
Yes. And then they have to deal with so many customers one at a time, because it's not that
Yeah.
you'll get one order 1 week. There will be orders to be delivered, new orders coming up, so many things.
Yeah,
So these
so
homemakers
many
are
things that
really, yeah, doing the awesome work. That's why. And I'm happy that I'm able to highlight the journey of those great ladies.
yeah. So where can one buy your book from? Is it available online?
Yes, it is available on online stores, Flipkart, Amazon. You can search with the title, The Art of Baking, Homemakers to Bakers, or with my name, Daisy Madan, you'll get this. It is available in paperback and Kindle version. Kindle version is available for worldwide, and paperback is only, as of now, only for India. We'll plan how we can
Okay.
deliver it to across the globe.
So, for the readers, I'll leave the link to the book in the description box below. Make sure to check that out.
Yeah, that will be
And
great.
what books are you planning to write next?
Well, since I started with women entrepreneurs, my next book will definitely be on that only. Maybe this time I'll take the women's of different categories, different fields. Yeah, I'll see how which women I target next. As of now, I mean, I have an idea that I will write next book, but not started working on it.
Okay, okay. All the best with the new book too.
Thank you so much.
So,
Thank you.
you're also the founder of a website called powerinher.com. So, what is this website all about?
Well, in my book, I could only target the home bakers, and that too only about 11 home bakers I have written the book. But definitely, there are many women out there who needs attention, whose stories have to be highlighted. So I started this website with a motive that it will contain the inspiring stories of women from different fields. It can be they are doing maybe simple work, they are helping someone, they are doing some business, or one simple thing they have done in their life. So with that, I mean, with that motive, I have started this website. It is still not live. I'm still collecting the stories. I think it will take time to be alive.
No problem. All good things take time. So, we are waiting for your website.
Yeah.
So, you are an inspiration to so many women out there now. Who was your inspiration to begin with?
Well, I would say that inspiration is all women out there. I mean, women like you, I would say, like you are doing good thing. You have your own YouTube channel. You are spreading the information through your channel. So there are many women around there who are doing marvelous job. So they, I mean, I got motivated from that. That if they can do, why not? I can do something and be an inspiration to others. I
That's
also
a
started one
wonderful thing.
Facebook group for such women that it is called Creative Wonder Woman, and people can post their creativity. Creativity can be in any form: art, painting, cooking, anything they have done, photography. They have, I mean, anything they can post which is creative, and
Yeah.
then the other members get inspired with them, and one single comment from unknown persons, it motivates us also, the one who is posting, that okay, wow, it is good that people are
Yeah, yeah,
liking my
it
work. Yes,
definitely does. Yes.
yes, yes.
Um,
With that intention, I've started Facebook group also.
yeah, that's a wonderful thing. So,
Yes.
would you like to give any message to our viewers?
uh, One message I would like to give, I mean, since I've got an opportunity through your channel, so that just keep your passion alive. If you have a passion, just stay focused, and your dedication, your hard work can give uh, can make you, I mean, successful in every field. So just keep your passion alive and keep doing something. Don't say that I can't do, I don't have time. Everyone is crunch of time. Everyone has 24 hours in which they have to do their work and daily goals and sleep also. Kids are also there. Everyone has 12 hours. But if we keep doing little bit, I think we can create wonders.
That's a beautiful message. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being there on our channel. Hope to have you on our channel sometime soon again. Thank you
Yeah,
very much.
yeah, I would also like to thank you for inviting me, because I think you are also doing wonderful job. I saw your previous videos where doctor is giving information regarding COVID thing. I think that is very important in this era, because everyone is being a teacher now and sending WhatsApp and
Yeah,
giving information on Facebook and WhatsApp, but information from
information
a,
overload.
yeah, so first hand information from a doctor, it was really very nice, and it cleared our doubts also. So I think all the best to you also, so that we keep
Thank
on getting
you.
such wonderful information from through your channel.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, dear. Thank you.
Okay.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, like the video and mention your views in the comment section below. Also, share this video so that the aspiring writers out there also get an inspiration to start their writing journey. See you soon in my next video. Until then, you can watch the other videos on my channel by clicking this link.